Hello again! In this video, we are diving deep into the best practices for Google Business Profile descriptions. Originally, Google Business Profile was linked with Google+, and businesses could provide detailed descriptions about themselves. But Google removed that option, leaving businesses without a way to tell their unique stories. In 2018, everything changed. Google reintroduced the description field, allowing businesses to speak directly to their audience once again. Before you start writing, remember to familiarize yourself with Google's guidelines. This will ensure your description stays compliant and doesn't get flagged. Keep it concise, as your description should be within 750 character limit, that's between 110 and 190 words. When creating your description, it's a good idea to draft several versions before. This ensures you always have a backup and allows you to test which description works best. Here are some quick tips for an impactful description. Highlight what sets you apart. Share your business history if relevant. Avoid URLs and keyword stuffing. Use a call to action, but steer clear of sales and special offers. Never use all caps. Include your business name, keywords, and location early on. Write for your audience, letting your brand personality shine. And add social proof if possible. If you're stuck, your website about page can be a great starting point. It's a styled version of your brand story and can inspire your Google Business Profile description. With the right description, your Google Business Profile will send the right message to your ideal customers. In the next video, I will walk you through the process of uploading the pictures of your business on your Google Business Profile. See you there!